Hey everybody, it's your boy Mikey B here, and welcome to my stock trading journey. Now, in my last video, I talked about me going through a mind change, and what I meant by that was I decided that I would spend more money on the stocks that I invested in. Now, before, I had been very cautious about how much money I spent on stocks, and as a result, my gains were very small. So I decided to start putting more money in my investments. And so I went on and did that. And as soon as I did that, the market went down. I mean, everything crashed. The S&P, the Nasdaq, the Dow, the Russell, it all went tumbling down. And as a result, my accounts were all red. And it actually went into my initial investment. And so it was looking very, very bad. There was red all over the place. It was like a bloodbath. But because of my other mindset, I didn't panic and didn't start selling off everything, because I know that you don't lose or gain anything until you actually sell and lock in your losses or gains. So that keeps me from panicking. And plus, I know that the market will always rebound. And as a matter of fact, it did start to rebound 2 days later. And so I'm here in my Webull account right now, which did get back into profit. However, my Fidelity account hasn't got back into profit yet, although the losses have come down. I actually wanted to do some practice swing trades last week, but I decided not to do that till I was sure that the market was back on track. So I'll look to see if I can do some practice swing trades this week, which is Sunday, which is the day I'm recording this. Okay, so let's look at some of the stocks that I'm into right now. Okay, as you can see, I'm here in my Webull account, and I'm at my looking at my Dogecoin, and it's below where I bought, which is at 54.14, and I'm going to wait until it gets down a little lower, and then I'm going to buy some more. I'm trying to wait until it gets somewhere in the 50. I missed a chance to get it here, so I'm waiting again to see if it gets into the 50. But one of the stocks that I bought last week was Con. Now, if we look at the day chart, you can see that it was going up. But the day that I bought it was the day it started. It went down, and it went down, and then it started coming back up a couple of days later. And this is where I bought it at 21.77. It's at 20.90 now. So I'm hoping that this week it'll continue its move upward. So let's look at another stock that I bought last week, which was Coinbase. Let's look at it the full. It's another stock that I bought that as soon as I bought it, it started going down. But Coinbase has a lot of push behind it, and it is expected to explode. When that is, I don't know, but I'm going to hold on and wait for it and see what happens. I bought Coinbase on my other account at Fidelity Investments. And another one that I bought on Fidelity is BZH. And it's another one that as soon as I bought it, it started going down. But as you can see, it's on an uptrend now. And hopefully that will continue this coming week. Okay, also here in Webull, I also have AT&T, which is doing pretty good for me so far. It's far above my buy-in price. And I have my free stocks that I got when I signed up for Webull and deposited $100, which is ADT, which is doing okay. It really doesn't hurt me because it was free. So if it goes up and down, it won't bite into my initial deposit. And I got G&W, which was a free stock, and it's doing very good. It's over the price that it was worth when I got it free. So let's look at my Fidelity account. Most of my index funds have recovered, but it hasn't gone back to the profit that I had. B&G Foods is starting to recover, but it's still biting into my initial deposit. TC Energy Corp, which is TRP, has also recovered, but it never got into my deposit, and it's still in profit. Coinbase we discussed. As soon as I bought it, it went down, and as you can see, it's red all the way across. It's actually bid into my initial deposit. IVV iShares is a S&P 500. It's an ETF that tracks the S&P 500. It's still in profit, but down from where it was. Realty Income Corp, which was doing real good before the market crashed, is now down $7, which bites into my initial deposit. And as I discussed earlier, BCH, Bezier Homes, it started recovering from the downfall, but the loss has bitten into my initial deposit, and it's way down. So waiting for all that to recover. So what I want to talk about now is Webull. I discovered a lot of different things here at Webull. And one of the things I discovered is this right here, where I can put up and check out the charts of multiple stocks. So let's take a look at, let's say, BNGO. And I can see how it's doing. Let's look at, let's say, let's just put Doge here. But it gives me a chance to look at all multiple stocks at the same time. So if there's some stocks that I want to check out or compare, I can look at it here and do some comparisons. And also, I'm liking this, which you can come down here and see the best performing industries and see which are the best performing industries that you might want to get into. Computers, renewable energy, uranium. Let's look at some more. As a matter of fact, if you want to look at them all, click here and there's all your sectors, which is very nice. So you can see what sector is doing what. And I really like that. And then you got your paper trading, which actually it starts you off with $1 million, but you can change that if you want to. What I did is changed it down to the money that I have in my account that's free to trade, so that when I decide to do some practice trades, it'll be with money I know that I have in my account to trade with. So I'm finding a lot of different things that I actually like about Webull. And I also found out that they have a desktop app that has even more things that you could use to make decisions on your trading. So I do plan to download that this week. So like I said earlier, with Webull, you do get 2 free stocks once you sign up and deposit $100 into your account. Now, you don't have to spend the $100, you just have to deposit it. Now, you get your first stock when you sign up for an account. And you will get your second stock once you deposit your $100. So I'm going to leave a link for Webull down in the description. And in full disclosure, if you sign up using that link, I will also get a free stock. Okay, so that's going to wrap it up for this video. If you like this video or found it helpful in any kind of way, please hit the like button. Also, if you want to ask me any questions or just say what's on your mind, leave a comment down below. And if you want to follow along on my journey and see my ups and downs, which this week was a down, go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified when I put up more videos. Okay, that's going to wrap it up. I want to thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.